You know, before I start your reading, guys, my ears keep on hearing ringing. And whenever I experience that maraming ringing, I've got a lot of message. Okay? So one of the message that I've got here for you guys, alam niyo yung, di ba pag nililipat mo yung radyo, parang nag-ground, no? Parang ganon. Basta alam niyo yun, 'di ba, yung 'pag nililipat niyo parang nasisira 'no. So that is the wave 'no, tinatawagin sa mga radyo 'no. But sa amin 'no, ng mga, psychic medium 'no, that wave indicates power, okey. Meaning to say, the vibration in this room is too high, okay, that it might cause yung parang tweak 'no, ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, na yung parang paano ko ba explain sa inyo yun, parang pag-ground, 'di ba? Which means strong yung wavelength, yung frequency 'no, between you and this person right here. Wow! Hmm, let us see. Whoever this individual is, this person here keeps on thinking about you. 12 is the number here of someone who wants to gain balance. Okay? Hindi lang sa kanyang thoughts, kundi sa kanyang situations right now. Yan. Because when you add 1 plus 2, you will get 3. And 3 is the number of balance. So this person here wants to have that balance. But it looks like the situation between the both of you right now, okay, is kinda nakastop. Okay? Or pwedeng nakapos. Okay? Let us see what's happening here. Because looks like this is not your ordinary reading. This could be some kind of an extraordinary reading for you guys. Because my ears keep on ringing and I'm hearing it. Wow. Okay. Oras ng chumismis. No. Okay. So, kung sino man 'tong ka-connect mga babes 'no, nakikita ko dito na sobrang strong talaga 'no, kasi yung naba-vibe natin in this room mga babes 'no, is sobrang strong ng spiritual connection ninyo, nitong person na ka-deal mo. So, okay, let me just lay all the energies first sa ating table to know more other informations about this, okay. Pero sobrang strong 'no? So, with that adjective word, sobrang strong, 'di ba? Dun pa lang 'no, parang nagkaroon tayo rito 'no, ng image ng itong klase ng connection na 'to 'no, is hindi basta-basta mabubuwag, 'yan 'no. But I think there are, situations 'no, na nangyayari ngayon between you and this person here na posibleng maaring rocker road, no? Kasi we have here the Four of Cups energy and the Queen of Swords. Let's keep moving. Now we've got the five of Swords and the Six of Swords. 5 to the Six of Swords. Heart of the reading is the Five of Cups energy. Three of Cups. Whoa. Okay. Oh, the Sun is right here. There are a lot of major arcanas right here. So yeah, definitely. Now I got it. Okay? Six of Cups and the Star. Okay. Unahan ko na kayo. Sabihin ko na. Etong tao na to, ang pinili ni universe for you guys. This person here is the chosen one ni universe para sa'yo. Yan. No? Yun ang pinakamalupit na mensaheng nakuha natin agad-agad, no? Right off the bat dito sa inyong reading, no? But I'm gonna tell you more about this because the heart of the reading is the Five of Cups. Okay? So, before we dive more, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, newbies, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for your warm love and support. So, we do not have any gender right here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want, and at the end of the day, okay, meron kayong free will na free nyo rin gamitan anytime, anywhere. So, yan o, timeless po ito. Pwedeng tapos na, nangyari na. Pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwedeng mangyayari pa lamang sa inyong hinaharap or prediction sa inyong future. But I'm more likely getting that it's kind of happening right now. So just take only what resonates. Yeah, for the most of you. Okay? It's happening right at this very moment. Yan o, in the present moment ninyo, mga babes. So here, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, this person over here, siya ang pinili ni universe para sa'yo. Makakaasa na tayo mga babes, no, na itong person na to is the one for you. Pero ano nga ba yung mga situations na binanggit mo, Miss Yan? And the heart of the reading is the Five of Cups energy. Four of Cups, Queen of Swords energy. It looks like there is an argument here. Posibleng hindi rin po kayo nag-uusap ng person na to, matumal, no? Walang communication at yung iba, no, pwedeng madalang yung communication. Posibleng may argument, posibleng wala namang argument, pero posible rin naman na may stagnation or temporary na hindi kayo nag-uusap or may dahilan kung ba't hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng communication ngayon. Okay? This is a general reading, so just take only what resonates, guys. But I'm seeing right here, whoever this individual is, there's this very strong connection between the both of you. Okay? So, if you're thinking right now, because in your thoughts, no, itong person na to, no, is wala na talaga na pag-asa or chance, no, for for the both of you or para sa inyong dalawa, then mali ka. Because this person right here, no matter how rocky road ang pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, you're not talking. I'm saying that. Okay? No one's initiating a message. No one is trying to text. No one is trying to call. No one is trying to message you guys, and the other person is also ganon. But you have this very strong spiritual connection. You connect with each other even though you're not talking. You think about each other 24/7. Okay? When I say 24/7, okay, you can't stop thinking about the person. Okay? This person occupies your mind. Okay? Mula umaga hanggang bago ka matulog sa gabi, pumapasok siya sa isipan mo, and akala mo ikaw lang yung ganon. Okay? Doesn't mean you're not talking, hindi ka iniisip ng person na to, iniisip ka niya. Both of you is embodying the strength card energy. Five of Cups right here. Both of you are sad. Both of you are malungkot about this. You're not talking. I do not know what is specifically, kung ano yung pinag-awayan ninyo, ano yung dahilan kung ba't hindi kayo nag-uusap. Yung iba, putol yung connection. Yung iba, no, madalang yung pag-reply. Okay? So, you're not really talking. Even though yung iba, madalang yung reply, no? Meron dong energy na posibleng may blockage, 'di ba? Pero, if you're thinking that this connection here is really over, then it's not. Yung iba nakita ko, separated kayo ngayon, pero napaka-strong pa rin ng pag-iisipan nyo sa isa't isa. Okay? If you're gonna ask me if there's still love between the both of you, yes, there is. Okay? And you will be surprised, no? If magbabanggit ako ng percentage, no? there is still love for you na meron dito sa person na to and it's 102%. Oh, miss yan. Hindi nga ako chinachat niya, hindi nga ako kinakausap niya, hindi nga yan tumawag sa akin, tas sasabihin mo 102%? That person is mahal pa rin ako. Yes! Eh? Even though this person here is not talking to you, even though this person here is not messaging you, if this reading is yours, this person here loves you and it's killing him or her. The sadness, the loneliness is killing him or her. Okay? Nawala kayo sa tabi niya, na separated kayo ngayon, or wala kayong communication. Yung iba mga babes na hindi nyo alam kung hiwalay na ba kayo or papunta na ba kayo sa hiwalayan dito, then regardless kung nag-separate kayo or hindi, it's not over. Because this person here is the chosen one. The universe, God, chose this person para sa'yo. I don't know what specifically the argument is all about, but this person here, is literally in love with you. Malaki pa rin yung pagmamahal niya for you. Even though you're not talking, you're not speaking, this person here longs for you. Ikaw pa rin, no? Yung nasa wallpaper ng kanyang phone, ikaw pa rin yung nasa wallpaper ng kanyang desktop, laptop, okay? Ikaw pa rin yung nasa isip niya. No one can replace you. Okay? And ikaw, ganun ka din, no? This person still in your mind. You still love this person here 102% if this reading is yours. Am I right? So I do see that if this is you, you think that this is over. This is far from over, honey. You're not talking doesn't mean na you do not love each other, that you stop loving each other. Okay? You might be, okay, physically far away from each other right now, like location is really standing here, but your love, okay? Parang nagyayakapan dito yung spiritual connection ninyo. That's why una pa lang sinabi ko na it's so powerful, no? Super strong, no? Ang inyo ditong spiritual connection, no? It's like you're not talking pero yung inyong spiritual connection, your souls, no? Kissing, yan, no? Hugging, yan, okay? And your hands, no? Your souls, okay, are holding hands, kissing, and hugging, diba? So, whatever the case may be, I do see two people right here in love pa rin sa isa't isa. So, whatever the issue is, whatever the argument is, whatever that misunderstanding is, okay, I'm seeing yan ay maayos at maayos, yung gusot na yan, okay? Because no one will move on from each other. No one can stop loving each other. This loneliness that almost kills this person here, and you are also lonely because this person here, is far away from you physically and you think it's emotionally. No, you're not, no? This person here, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, if you love this person here also loves you. Everything has a reason, diba? So, nakita ko rito na this person here, from having this low, okay, is low na paglapit sa'yo with the Knight of Pentacles energy, bibilis na ito, no? In the near future, it's very close here, sweetheart. Knight of Pentacles energy, biglang nag-change yung energy niya, no? From Knight of Pentacles to the Knight of Swords energy. This only means that this person here, okay, bibilis, no? Kumbaga, slow to moderate, then the moderation right here turned to a fast and quick energy. So, ibig sabihin, no, this person here is coming in because hindi niya na to kaya, no? This person here is literally coming towards you fast and quick, okay, in the near future. And with the sun, I do see that everything right here will be fixed. And you will have this beautiful energy of creating a very romantic, harmonious connection here, no? You will build a family or yung iba sa inyo may pamilya na kayo, muli kayong mabubuo. Yan yung nakikita ko dito, no? Your silent na pag-approach sa isa't isa, no, is coming to end, and you will definitely create this beautiful connection. Yan, no? Love is sweeter the second time around, okay? Yung pamilya ninyo mabubuo na, no? Or babalik na dito yung asawa mo, kung married kayong dalawa, yung partner mo, kung mag-boyfriend, girlfriend kayo, this person here. Okay? Loneliness is killing him or her, so that's why this person here is approaching you. You thought that it's finally over. It's not, okay? It's not, babe. This person here cannot live without you, and he or she is realizing it right now, right at this very moment na nagsasalita ako. This person here is heavily thinking about you. He or she might be nasa kanyang work, but he or she cannot focus. Yeah, simula nang hindi na kayo nag-usap, hindi siya rito nakapag-focus. Maraming laman ng isipan niya rito, yung iba sabay-sabay na yung naging issue at problema na kinakaharap niya sa family niya, sa personal niyang life, no? Meron siyang mga ibang mga inaasikaso, no? At ito ay sabay-sabay na, pero hindi ka nawala sa isip niya. Okay? You are living rent-free into this person's mind, no? At pati sa puso niya, no? Nandudun ka, nakatira, permanente na nga, no? And this person here, okay? Iniisip niya rin yon, no? Naakala niya this connection is finally coming to an end, that it's over already, no? But the reconciliation, we've got it in a bright Three of Cups energy. This person here is coming in for this reconciliation, rekindling of your love for each other, and everything will be revealed to you. Okay? Everything that you want to know. This person's thoughts, what is his feelings and emotions here, everything you will, okay, know that because this person here will tell you everything. Everything that you want to know. Okay? And I'm seeing that the issue between you guys, kung ano man yung gusot na yan, is maayos, and you will, okay, you will now dance together very smoothly in whatever life's challenges ang iba to sa inyong dalawa. Ikaw at ang tao na to, no, ay hindi matatapos ang connection ninyo. Why? Because the destiny, Temperance, Six of Cups, pinatungkulan pa, no? Second emotion, yung ating very strong spiritual connection ninyo, soul-to-soul connection ninyo, and the Star. Noon pa lang, bago pa kayo pinanganak ng tao na yan, nakatakda na kayo for each other. Yeah. This connection is not coming to an end. It's not over here, sweetheart. Because siya ang taong nakatakda para sa'yo. Siya ang pinili ni universe para sa'yo. And you will be so amazed. You will be so emotional to see this person here right in front of you. Right at your doorstep, right here, coming to you. Okay? Because this person here is that person who is appearing as the love of your life. And this person here, in your heart, you are wishing na magkaroon rito ng pagbabalikan sa inyo, no? Or ng pagtanggap muli sa isa't isa. And yun at yun ang mangyayari. Why? Because he is your person. Okay? Your namja. Your yoja. Hmm? Wow. So, wow, beautiful message right here, okay? You know, I'm seeing in my mind right now, okay, yung itsura, no, ng King of Hearts at Queen of Hearts, no, sa ordinary play cards, no? So, which means you are the King and the Queen of Hearts, okay? Na mayani pa rin ang pagmamahalan ninyo for each other, and wow, okay? Noon pa lang naka-align na yung mga bituin, 'no? Kayo talagang dalawa yung nakatakdang magkatuluyan. Kaya sa huli, kayo pa rin. Hmm. Wow. Enjoy your beautiful moment with this person, Nakshis, no, mga may collectives, because you deserve, okay, to be happy. I know. Because I'm your mom. I'm your mom here in this channel. Yeah, I'm your second mom. Okay? So yeah, thank you so much and sarang heyo, muli ako po si Yan. If you're interested with the other channel, please, pwede kayong tumambay dyan. The link is down below. Thank you so much. Sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.